What is up, everyone?
We're a scout couple and we are right outside our apartment building to check out all the massive amount of snow that we got in the past 2 weeks. See, we're out at the Adler Planetarium here. Right here is the lake, solidly frozen over. Let's jump in.
We decided to venture outside today downtown just to see how much snow has accumulated because we haven't really ventured out downtown recently because it's been snowing every single day, so too much snow.
Way too much snow. But if you really enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button, comment if you really enjoyed, and we will see you next time.
Bye.